Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shirish here from Trading Explained, and in today's video we are going to talk about why most of the trading courses are scam, and most importantly how not to get trapped in their marketing and advertising strategies. At the end of the video I'll also be sharing 2 ways from which you can gain knowledge about markets without the help of any trading course or anything. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you take out something out of it. Let's begin. Trading courses weren't really a bad thing to start with just until a few years ago. Most of the people who sold courses were real life traders, and because there was scarcity of information and knowledge about markets, they used to charge a bit higher. And I guess that was still okay because they were providing genuine knowledge about the markets, and they were also sharing their real life practical experience about markets, what to do, what not to do, how the markets behave, etc. But now the markets have gotten exposure of millions of people in last couple of years. And that is why every alternate guy has started selling off his own course. And this is where the problem begins, because it has become extremely difficult to identify which trading course is actually helpful and which one is a scam. These people do not know anything about markets, they do not know about trading, they do not know anything about investment. They read some books, they get some data from YouTube, and they make their own trading courses. They hire marketing people, they advertise their course, and then you fall for it. Now why does this happen that most of the people are interested in selling trading courses rather than trading themselves and making money out of the markets? Isn't this a legit question? This is because trading is an extremely difficult profession to master. Making money from trading is very difficult, and to stay consistent at it is almost impossible. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's almost impossible, meaning it's very difficult. That is why only 1 or 2% of the traders in the markets are making money consistently. So this thing is very difficult, right? But it is very easy to convince people that they can make money in the markets, right? It is easier to convince a fool rather than telling him that he has been fooled. The same thing applies over here, and that is why these people are busy selling trading courses. They do not know how to trade, but they know how to sell. Okay, so now you must be thinking, okay Shrish, we get it. Most of the trading courses are scam. But there must be someone who is a real trader and is also selling out his course, right? Also giving out genuine knowledge. That might be true, yeah. But the real question is, how are you going to spot him? Because other people are so good at marketing, they show you profit screenshots, they show you how their clients are happy, they show you how their clients are making their money. And now it becomes very difficult to actually judge who is a real trader, who is selling out his course and who is a scamster, right? So today I am going to give you a few parameters on basis of which you can judge any trading course and think if you should enter it or not. So listen carefully. The first thing is, if someone is claiming to sell you a strategy which can start making you money in a month or so, just quit that conversation there and get out of it. He is scamming you. There is no strategy that exists that can make you money like that, right? There is absolutely no strategy. There is no holy grail to the markets, because the thing is, no matter how good a strategy is, you won't make money until you master yourself. As I have been saying in my previous videos, trading is a game of patience, discipline and self-mastery. It has nothing to do with what the markets are doing or what strategy you are using. So no matter how good a strategy is, you won't be making any money out of it until you master yourself. You master your patience, master your discipline, master your execution. All these things are very important, probably more important than you are thinking. So if someone is selling you any strategy or something, get out of it. Not working for you, not working for anyone, not only for you, right? Second thing, if someone is trying to tell you that, okay, I will guide you over a period of time, let's say 4 weeks or 8 weeks, you will guide under me, I will guide you under myself, and then you can start making money out of markets. So for such people, you have to ask them one question: show me your P&L statement of last 4 years or 2 years or at least 1 year. Show it, right? Because if he's himself not trading in the markets, he's not going to teach you anything. He's just going to scam you. And if he's a real trader, he won't mind showing you his real P&L statement, right? P&L is profit and loss statement. The thing is, you should be knowing if the person selling you the course has right to sell you the course. I mean, if he is making the money, then he has the right, okay? If he's not making the money himself and then he's telling that he's making money and selling his courses, it's not going to work, right? You're going to get scammed. So ask for the P&L statement, profit and loss statement of at least last 1 year. And if he is making money out of it, if you would know that he is making, like, the profit and loss statement would be green if he is making money. So if he is making money out of markets, then maybe you can think depending on what he is teaching you and how much he is charging you. Okay, not like he is asking $10,000 for a trading course. Don't blindly give your money. You might still get scammed, right? So these are the two most important things, that if someone is selling you trading strategy or some proprietary trading system, get out of their scamster. If he's claiming to train you under himself for like 6 to 8 weeks or some considerable period of time, ask him his P&L statement, profit and loss statement. It's very important. And the third thing, now these people are everywhere. The third type of people are everywhere. What they do is they create 2 to 4 hours of webinar sessions and they sell it. They claim that these webinars contain holy grail of markets, not some kind of strategy or something. They claim that this is the only thing you need to know about markets. These are the psychological barriers you are facing. They will name it anything that will take you in. So you have to stay away from these people as well, right? And these trading courses are usually cheap. They are not expensive. They might be something around $10 to $15 or maybe $20 at max. And so because they are cheap, most people think that, okay, I am getting something that is cheap and I might learn out of it, right? So most people opt in for that course and then they get scammed. So remember these three things. If someone is selling you a strategy or some proprietary trading system, a scam. If someone is claiming to be a real trader and he can teach you under him for a considerable period of time, ask for P&L statement. If he is denying to give his P&L statement, scam, get out. Third thing is the webinar types, the 2 or 4 hour webinar types which have recently gotten into picture, which are usually cheap and they promise to teach you most of the markets in 2 hours, right? It is fake. Get out of it. So now if you are going to sign up for any trading course, you can judge any trading course based on this. The real trading courses, however, do not market themselves. This is a fact. Okay, someone who is real trader has no time to do all this marketing shit and advertisement things. He trades, he sells his course, maybe few people are buying it, but he's okay with it because selling trading courses is not his permanent income or his primary income. He is making money out of markets. This is his secondary income. So he won't bother marketing a trading course. So most of the real traders who are selling courses won't bother marketing a trading course. They won't fall much into advertisement and stuff. And if you ask them of that P&L statement, they will happily provide one. So these three parameters are, you can take use of these three parameters to actually look up for a trading course which is genuine. They might charge a little higher than others, like maybe $100 or so, but that might still be worth it because they will share their practical real life experiences. So now that you know why most of the trading courses are scams, how to spot a scamster, and how to spot a real trader who is selling out genuine stuff, let's go further ahead in the video and allow me to explain you those 2 ways from which you can gain knowledge about the markets for free. You do not have to opt for these trading courses because despite taking measures, it's most likely that you are going to get scammed, because their marketing techniques and advertisement strategies are so ahead that most likely you're going to get scammed. So what are those 2 ways anyways? First thing is the traditional books. Books are your best friend when it comes to knowledge about the markets. There are so many good books about markets, and if you read them, you'll probably master trading sooner or later. So learn from books, read a lot of books, because they are going to help you long way through this journey. And second one is social media, especially YouTube. So we use social media for watching films, watching funny videos and all these things, but we never actually use them for for actually going ahead in life. So this is the time to use social media for better. Use social media. There are so many good videos about markets, explaining bits and pieces of markets, explaining how the market works, how they behave, how to learn out of it. There are so many videos, but only if you watch it. So make use of the social media in the right way, so it can actually take ahead in life. So read books, read a lot of books about markets, trading in general, and watch videos. Make use of the social media instead of wasting time on it. I know this video is getting lengthier, but I had to convey this message to you before any of the other videos come out, because many people are getting scammed and I do not want you guys to get scammed for no reason. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please share the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep coming back with such more content for you guys, and I'll see you around. Peace.